we are here to offer a GRC tool. It's a platform that offers a complete solution for cybersecurity, governance, and data protection. And it's a cloud-based solution, or also can be offered on-premise for customers that require to be within their company. So I think the main point that DPOs and CISOs are struggling now is using spreadsheets, Excel files for for performing their compliance assessments. So in the platform, you are able to digitalize all this and perform all your assessments throughout the platform and have everything in the platform, so it's much easier and more convenient. We can collaborate with partners in the area, so like cybersecurity consultants and companies that offer services, and have a collaboration with our company and offer our software as a solution to their customers.